In this video, we are going to discuss about while loop in Java. As you can see on my screen, you can see that I have created a class named demo while, inside which I am trying to print a word hello. What happens when I run this program? When I run this program, you can see a word hello get printed in my console. What happens if I want to repeat the hello word for 5 times? In order to repeat hello word for 5 times, I have to use the concept of looping statement, and I am here using a while loop. So first of all, I want to print hello 5 times. So this is a block of code which I want to repeat for 5 times. So I will first create a block of code which I want to print. So system.out.println, which is inside a curly bracket, is my block of code. As I'm using here while statement, so I have to use a keyword while followed by some bracket. In the bracket, I have to specify the condition. Say true here. What does it mean? If value of while, or if the condition present inside bracket while is true, I have to keep printing hello world. So I save it. What happens? You can see in my console that hello is keep printing continuously. First of all, I will stop this. What happens here? I have mentioned that condition is true. So as the provided condition of while is true, it is keeping printing hello continuously, which is actually a condition of infinite loop. But I say that I want to print hello word 5 times. How can I do it? I can do it if I am able to count the number of statements I am printing, for which I will first declare a variable, say int I equal to 1, which help me to count the number of statements get printed. So here I will say while I is less than or equal to 5. So when I write I is less than equal to 5, it keep printing the word hello, and when the value of I becomes 6, it comes out of the code, for which I will provide increment to the value of I here. Let us save it and run this. You can see in my console hello get printed 5 times. Now what is happening here? So first of all, I will check the value of I also. Hello, I is equal to and plus I. You can see what is happening here. When value of I is 1, I print hello for first time. It comes here and increment to get to be 2 here. When I value become 2, it prints hello, it is 2 and comes out of the code up to its value is 5. When value of I become 5, we exit the code. We can prove it here while printing this value out of the block of code. So here we will print I is now current value of I is equal to, and you can see that after 5, when I come out of the code, my value comes to be 6 here. This is how you are working in a while loop. In a while loop, in a bracket, you provide a condition. If the condition comes to be true or satisfied, it is going to print the block of code which is present inside these two curly brackets. And once the condition becomes false, we comes out of the loop. So while loop is actually entry control statement in which while entry we check the condition. If conditions comes to be satisfied or true, we execute the block, else we go out of the block. Now we will learn another concept of nesting of while loop. Suppose if I have a statement hello I is equal to 1, inside this I want to print statement welcome to India 2 times. How can I do it? I will write a block, say system.out.println, and I write here welcome to India. And once I write this statement, I want that after printing value of hello I equal to 1, this statement prints 2 times. For this, I will declare another variable int j equal to 1. And as I want to execute this loop twice, I will use while loop where I will write j is less than or equal to 2, and I will give the incremental value of j here as j plus plus. And you can also print the value of j as plus j here. So I just save this program and run it. You can see I have in console when my value of I is 1, I will print welcome to India 1, welcome to India 2, that is value of j is 1, value of j is 2. Then hello 2, I welcome to India 1, 2 up to when the value of I is 6. So in this way you learn what is while loop and how to nest while loop. So in next video, we are going to discuss about another important concept of looping, that is do while loop. Thank you.